Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices so tethering works reliably. On your iPhone, open Settings and enable Personal Hotspot. This creates the network interface the PC will use. Next, plug the Lightning to USB cable into the phone and then the PC. Use a data-capable cable, not a charge-only lead. When the iPhone asks to trust the computer, tap Trust and enter your passcode. Once done, the PC should detect a new network adapter. Keep the phone unlocked while you continue. Once the phone is trusted and plugged in, switch to the PC to finish configuration. Open Network Settings and locate the Apple Mobile Device Ethernet or New Network Adapter. Windows often labels it clearly. If the adapter fails to appear, install or update iTunes or Apple Mobile Device Support to provide drivers. After the adapter appears, set the network profile to private so you can share files or printers. Make sure IP4 is set to obtain an IP automatically unless you have custom network requirements. Now test connectivity by opening a browser. You finish by validating the connection and addressing common failures. First, load a web page or ping a reliable host to confirm internet access over the tether. If there is no connection, unplug and replug the cable, restart both devices, and when asked, tap Trust again on the iPhone. Also make sure any firewall or VPN on the PC isn't blocking the Apple Mobile Device Ethernet interface. If drivers are stubborn, reinstall Apple drivers or iTunes. Once the adapter is visible and allowed through security, your tethering will work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.